Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable keyboard numbers key on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and find the general management. Okay, tap the general management. Here in general management, go to Samsung keyboard settings. In Samsung keyboard settings, go to keyboard layout and feedback. Okay, tap this. Here in keyboard layout and feedback, tap the keyboard size and layout. Okay guys, here in keyboard size and layout, you can see the number key. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, below, okay, you can see the keyboard. And on keyboard, you cannot see the number key. To enable the number key to your keyboard, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this number key, okay? And the number key is shown on your keyboard. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled the number key. And to disable again the number key, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this number key. And that's it. We have successfully disabled. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled keyboard number key on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.